We usually see the ocean as a calm and beautiful place. But deep beneath that blue water, there is an entire world that still remains almost unknown to humans. What's surprising is that humans know more about space than the deepest parts of our own oceans. A huge portion of Earth's oceans still hasn't been fully explored. The upper layer of the ocean is called the sunlight zone. This is where sunlight reaches the water, allowing colorful fish, coral reefs, and most familiar sea life to survive. Tiny organisms called plankton create energy from sunlight. Small fish feed on the plankton, and larger fish feed on the smaller ones. This creates the massive food chain of the ocean. But the deeper you go, the stranger everything becomes. Here, sunlight becomes extremely weak. The ocean slowly turns into a dark blue world. The creatures living here are incredibly unusual. Some have transparent bodies like glass, while others can produce their own light. This natural light is called bioluminescence. In the deep ocean, light is not just beautiful, it's a survival tool. Some creatures use it to attract prey, while others use it to hide in the darkness. Every night, billions of sea creatures rise from the deep ocean toward the surface. And before sunrise, they return back into the darkness. This event is known as vertical migration, one of the largest animal movements on Earth. Below this layer begins the midnight zone. No sunlight can reach here, only complete darkness remains. The temperature is close to freezing, and the pressure is so intense that a human body could never survive there. Yet life still exists. Some of the ocean's strangest predators live here. One of them is the dragonfish. It can create a type of light invisible to other creatures, allowing it to hunt in total darkness. Then there is the terrifying anglerfish. A glowing light hangs in front of its mouth, luring prey closer before trapping it in an instant. Even deeper lies the abyss zone. Food is extremely limited here, so creatures move slowly and conserve as much energy as possible. Sometimes the body of a dead whale sinks down from the surface. When that happens, the deep sea suddenly comes alive. A single whale carcass can feed countless creatures for years. And finally, there is the Hadal Zone, the deepest and most mysterious part of the ocean. This is where the Mariana Trench exists, the deepest known place on Earth. The pressure here is beyond human imagination. Yet somehow, life still survives. One of the most incredible discoveries in the deep sea is something called hydrothermal vents. These cracks in the ocean floor release extremely hot water and minerals. Even without sunlight, entire ecosystems survive around them. Because of discoveries like this, scientists believe that if life can exist in the deepest parts of Earth's oceans, then life may also exist on distant planets or icy moons in space. The ocean is more than just water. It is a completely different world, filled with darkness, strange life, and endless mysteries. And perhaps we have only discovered the very beginning of it.